Top 10 Fun Facts about Parrots. Parrots are colorful birds that are found all over the world. Those that are native to South America, Central America and Mexico are called New World parrots, while the ones in Asia, Africa and Australia are Old World parrots and sometimes have powdery feathers. There are more than 300 species in the world today, though sadly, some of them are endangered. One of the reasons that parrots make good pets is because they can imitate sounds. In the wild, they imitate the calls of other members of their flock, which allows them to communicate about important things such as food and the presence of danger. Indeed, unlike other birds which know their calls without being taught, parrots know by learning and learn by imitation. They also imitate the calls of other animals, which serves as a defense against predators. Of course, they can imitate human speech, too. They do this because they think these sounds are made by their flock and, therefore, they have to learn them. African gray parrots, parakeets, Amazon parrots and macaws are the best at imitating sounds. Parrots are also very playful birds. Parrots have zygodactyl feet. They have very strong feet that allow them to cling to branches for long periods of time and even swing from them or hang from them upside down. That's not all they use their feet for, though. Parrot feet are like human hands. They can eat using their feet. Macaws are especially long-lived, and one blue and yellow macaw named Charlie is believed to be more than 100 years old. Another macaw named Poncho, who has starred in several Hollywood movies, is claimed to be 89 years old. The record for oldest living parrot, though, is held by Cookie, a Major Mitchell's cockatoo who is 81 years old. Parrot beaks are not only large, they are also strong. In fact, the beak of the hyacinth macaw, the world's largest flying parrot, is strong enough to crack macadamia nuts, considered the toughest nuts to crack, as well as Brazil nut pods. For this reason, parrots should be handled with care at all times. In order to find a mate, a male parrot puts on what is called a courtship display, parading itself, dancing or making various expressions and sounds to attract the female. Lovebirds are especially known for their tight bond since they spend long hours just sitting together on a perch. During the breeding season, female parrots lay anywhere from 2 to 8 eggs, which are always white. Parrots were first kept as pets by ancient Egyptians and then by the Indians and Chinese. Today, parrots remain the most popular pet birds in the world. Unfortunately, the parrot pet trade is one of the reasons many parrots are now rarely seen in the wild. Cockatoos are old world parrots that are often not as brightly colored as other parrots. Their most distinguishing feature is their head crest or the feathers on their head, which, interestingly, they can move just as dogs can move their ears. The kakapo is the world's largest parrot. It can weigh up to 9 pounds and grow over 2 feet long. The kakapo, however, is a flightless bird. In fact, it is the only flightless parrot in the world. While a kakapo cannot fly, it can jump and is good at climbing trees to eat fruits. Sadly, the kakapo is now one of the rarest birds in the world. The kia is the only alpine parrot in the world. Kias are known to be very smart and curious birds,